Hi everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video we're going to discuss about node.js object destructuring. So what is the object destructuring? I'm showing you here realistic example. So we have two files you have already seen in last tutorials. So I have app.js and helper.js. So you can check we have helper and we have created as a functions which is array functions. So and even we are exporting, we have here module.export we are using same this functions we are exporting. Okay, so now I am in app.js file. So we are here, we are creating as a this is a as a variable. We have variable and we calling functions which are present in helper.js. Okay, so now we have some technique to use these some functions also, which is called object destructuring. Okay, so now just check here. I'm going to put directly as a function name which is sub. Okay, now you can call without any variables. We can hit directly using object destructuring. So now I'm going to run node app.js. Now you can check we got the result. So this is a very basic things whenever you're using which whenever we want to access any functions we are exporting from the different file, and here we need to use as a object destructuring. So this is a very basic guide. I will also explain you next video more things. Okay, so if you have any doubt related to this video, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve your query. Thank you for watching this. If you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve your query. If you want more video, please comment on comment section which type of video you need. Definitely I will try to make. Thank you for watching.